Good day, everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocab lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and today we're going to talk about Week 9 vocabulary. Here are our words this week: latent, wield, attired, vexation, vibrant, and classic. So let's go ahead and get into the first word of the week. The first word this week is latent. It is an adjective, so it describes something, and it means present but not visible, apparent or actualized, existing as potential. So if you look at this image here, it often means something that's hidden, something that's inside of you. People often talk about latent talent. So you might be a talented person, but it might be hidden deep inside of you, not shown. Somebody might have a hidden or latent ability of some kind, like they might be a great singer, but they never knew they were a great singer until they started singing. So here are some synonyms for latent: hidden, not shown, concealed, or veiled. Latent. Wield is our next word, and it's a verb, so it's something you do. It's an action, and it means to use, and primarily to use a weapon or an instrument, effectively, to handle or employ, actively. So as you can see in the image, these men are wielding swords. They are doing a sword fight of some kind, and they're wielding their weapon. You could wield a tool. You could wield a pencil. Anytime you use a tool to do a job, you are wielding that tool. It means use, operate, possess, or utilize. Wield. The next word is attired. Attired. And this is a verb, so it's something that you do. It's an action, and it means to dress, to array, or to adorn, especially for special occasions. So if you look at this image, you can see this is a well-adorned mannequin. If someone were to put the suit on, they would be a well-attired person. Anytime you dress well, you are attired in that specific way of dress. So it means clothed, dressed, clad, decked out, dolled up, or some sort of outfit. Attired. Vexation. Vexation. This is a noun, so it is just something that you are, and it's the state of being annoyed, irritated, or annoyance. You can also say vexed if you did it in the past tense. So I might say, my brother vexed me yesterday because he stole something from me. So in this image, you can obviously see this person is very upset. They have a red, angry face. Synonyms would be annoyed, bothered, aggravated, and agitated. Vexation. Vibrant. Vibrant is the next word, and it's an adjective, so it describes something, usually your feelings or your attitude, and it means exciting, stimulating, or lively. In this picture, this woman is so vibrant. Maybe she just got a raise at work, or maybe she just found out that they have a new Dunkin' Donuts coffee that just is so delicious and she can't wait to have it. She is vibrant. It means colorful, bright, vivid, energetic, or lively. Vibrant. The next word is classic, and it's an adjective. Classic. It means to be of the first or the highest quality, class, or rank. So anytime you're talking about something, the best in that category is the classic thing. It also means serving as a standard, model, or guide. So you could have a classic car, like in this image here. It's just like the best car ever, a classic. You can also talk about clothing being classic, music being classic. It's something that everyone kind of appreciates and identifies as the first or the best. So synonyms would be best, first, original, top of the line, historic, vintage, and time-honored. So it never goes out of style either. That's the important thing about classic. It could be awesome now. It could be awesome 50 years from now. That's the thing about being classic, is it never goes out of style. Classic. So here's a list of our words this week: latent, wield, attired, vexation, vibrant, and classic. Please stay here to look over this paragraph. This is a great paragraph that uses all the words correctly. Stay here as long as you need. Review this video as many times as you need. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye.